making mug cakes. Cakes inside mugs. The flavors we are going to be doing is, I'm going to be doing chocolate. I'm doing vanilla with cinnamon.
I'll be doing chocolate with peanut butter.
And I'll be doing jam and peanut butter. With what?
Vanilla base. Alright, so the basic ingredients for all the recipes is 3 teaspoons of
flour.
3 tablespoons of flour.
This is one.
1 tablespoon of sugar.
1/4
tablespoon
of baking soda. And then we need 3 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of oil, and optional is a bit of vanilla.
You need microwavable bowls and of course a microwave oven. Alright, so let me start by giving each of you 3 tablespoons of flour.
The next thing I'm going to be giving 1 tablespoon of sugar. If you're not a sweet type of person, then you don't have to add.
What do you mean if you're not a sweet type of person? So like someone like me who's sweet will get more, or?
I guess so.
And if you're not sweet, like, wow. Don't put that in. Okay, with this.
Guys, if you don't like sweet stuff, add just a teeny weeny drop. What do I do with the flour? Okay. Now I'm just gonna add. Let's see here. Like, look at that powder. Okay, this is how much we're gonna add of. Well,
as you can see, we are very neat.
Yes, very neat.
We don't make a mess.
At all.
Nothing at all.
So guys, when you add the sugar with the powder, it looks like powder. Down.
And give you.
It's so tiny. Okay.
Mix your dry ingredients in. So for those who are doing the chocolate base, this is probably the time you need to add in the chocolate.
Yeah.
I think let's do 1.5 teaspoons of
because
cocoa.
this is pure sugar. This is pure. This is
Cocoa.
gonna be like really bitter. So for me, I'm doing cinnamon. So I'm going to be adding 2 of these. Should I add some more?
Maybe just literally a pinch. Because if it's too much cinnamon, I think it's going to get bitter.
Pinch. Is that perfect?
And the pinch went outside the cup.
Is that perfect? So
Yeah, thanks, man.
You need to mix all your dry ingredients before you add the wet ingredients.
So what's our wet ingredients?
Our wet ingredients is milk, oil, and.
So how much milk?
We're gonna do 3 tablespoons of
Which
milk.
one am I gonna do?
Alright, I'll be helping you.
No, I'll do the milk. Which one?
No, I'll give you the stuff to mix. Okay.
While Gabby's doing that, the daddy's gonna help.
So if you're going to be doing jam or peanut butter, an option, I wouldn't say that you have to do it, I'm just going to say it's an option, is for you to kind of put it into a bowl, microwave it.
That's true, right?
Or use a bit of hot water to kind of let it down a bit so that it mixes well.
We are going to be adding some vanilla essence. This is optional. We just wanted to give it that smell inside.
But it smells so good, but when you taste it, it's too bitter, guys.
But whoever's we're literally doing like 2 drops.
Oh, love it.
Look at that. Looks like actually, Mama,
I'm not sure what Dani did to his cup, but man, that's oily.
You can see a bit of lumps.
So I'm joining the party because I feel like
Lonely.
FOMO.
I'm missing all the fun. Okay, so
We got our mom.
sorry.
We are a family in the peanut.
And like what I said earlier, there is no chaos in this family. Look at this, so organized.
I know, so messy. So not messy.
So not messy.
Can you?
super messy.
But this,
Yeah,
and
okay.
this is looking
All right.
down as 2.
So,
Guys, this is eggless cake, so anyone who doesn't like to eat, like, who wants whoever cake, does not have eggs.
I think I've overdone the vanilla essence.
But we have eggs. We just don't want us to do it.
You know, I tasted a bit of it, and it tastes so good.
What? You're tasting
This is safe because it's eggless.
Danger. Can I mix it?
No.
Can I mix mine?
What
Mom
happened?
has a vanilla one.
And then
That
what happened?
vanilla looks like vanilla.
It smells so nice. Can I smell?
I really want to taste this. Now we're going to be popping our mug cakes in the microwave, not oven. And if you're doing one mug cake, I think for a minute. If it doesn't look good, then you can pop it in for again 20 seconds. We might be doing it together, so it will take longer, probably because of the power of our microwave or how much mug cakes there's in.
So maybe 2 to 3 minutes.
Yeah, so about 2 to 3 minutes for like 3 minutes.
Let's go.
Awesome.
So let's go.
Okay.
I've taken it out of the microwave, and this is
That's Dani's.
Dani's.
That's mine. That's Michelle's. That's yours. That's
la la.
Gabriel's.
Oh my gosh, what happened to mine?
It's like a volcano, man. We're gonna do our taste test. Dani, that's yours.
Like volcano.
Be careful, it might be hot. That's mine.
It is hot.
Okay.
That's hot.
So first, always check the texture. Pull off a little bit.
The top looks good.
Okay, and see, it has to be
It's yours.
a bit crumbly but soft.
Oh my.
That's okay.
Yep, I think that's
looks good.
okay.
Yours?
Hot jam.
Hot jam.
It's hot.
Mm,
Pretty good.
bitter.
Can I sit
Mine's
on
bitter.
your lap?
Okay, what's the do better?
I like this one better.
Have this one with ice cream.
Oh,
Yeah.
vanilla ice cream, right?
So it's a bit bitter, yeah.
Is
But
it?
Dani, yeah.
Well, how many?
1.5.
Oh, okay. I've put mine
That's
as
so
one.
bitter.
Only.
How's yours, buddy? Yours
Mine
is
is
bitter?
actually pretty good.
How come yours is bitter? This has peanut butter and...
I don't know. Yeah. It's bitter.
How does bitter jam? It's so good.
I like how the cinnamon is not too strong.
Actually, Dani's jam is really good. You're getting the jam flavor?
You guys want to try mine?
And look
I'm gonna
at
try
that.
mine. This is mine. So it has peanut butter. The base is chocolate, and I've also put some jam.
Mine's really strong.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Gabby tastes like cinnamon.
Try. Except without the sauce.
Try this one.
Can I try? Mom's trying mine.
This is jam, peanut butter, and chocolate. This is
My mouth is burning.
good, no?
Wow.
That with coffee would be very good.
This is really good. The cinnamon. That's a good choice,
Actually
Gabs.
tastes like banana cake.
Kind
There's a hint of banana cake.
But without being so sweet. This is nice. The jam and the chocolate.
Nailed it.
Thank you guys for watching our video. Hope you liked it. And subscribe and share with your family and friends. Comment down below what else you want us to do. So yeah, bye.
And give a try of these
Yeah.
recipes and
Try
let us
these.
know how you would change it or how you would make it better.
Yeah.
Comment below.
Send us a picture.
I was on the program.
Picture of you trying
And
it.
you can send it to our Multiply account.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.